So here we are in day 3 of the bonsai rescue. I brought the trees last night inside because last night it rained a little bit on the evening. I showed you that the skies were cloudy and that there was a lot of moisture. So I brought them inside because I keep the air conditioner on, and the air conditioner, because it's hot, it's summer, and the air conditioner dries up the air pretty good. And it's the problem. They are still wet. I'm starting to get a little more dieback on this and on this, but that's to be expected. So, yeah, I'm gonna put them again in the sun. Okay, so here we are again at the windowsill. Okay, it's morning again, the sun will come like this again, and the plan is, I've told you, because they were underwater, and the first thing that I did was to water them thoroughly. So the plan was to water them very good, and to put them into the sun so the moisture can the excess moisture that hasn't been sucked by the plants will go away. And just my luck, yesterday was a very hot day, but it was pretty humid, and that's a pretty rare sight. We are in Romania. It rarely rains here in the summer. It's pretty damn dry, and just my luck when I needed dryness. Because you know what, I had to put this substrate, this old substrate, which it's dry now. I have to water it in addition with the shading cloths, because the trees were dying on me, so I have to do all this stuff. I have also a humidifier there in the corner, so all of this stuff just to get some humidity into my balcony here. And you know what, just when I needed drought, it was humid. So I'm starting to get some dieback, but I told you that's to be expected. I'm just bummed out because I'm gonna lose some of these like secondary branches, if we can call them that way. But what you gonna do? I'm going to still a little moist. I think we're gonna be done with the moisture today. This has sphagnum moss, so that's why it dries up, because I especially put sphagnum moss on this to keep the substrate moist for a longer time. But now I need it to dry up. This is the highest hope. This is dry already because it's such a small pot. It dried up pretty damn quickly. So yeah, it's tricky, and I wanna tell you why. So first of all, I want to thank you all for joining in. Please help out by subscribing and turning that little notification bell so you can see the clips that I uploaded, and hopefully I can help you out figure out this pretty tricky business that's called bonsai, and hopefully I can make it easier and more pleasant and rewarding for you. So I'm struggling these days with YouTube. I think all the platforms, I don't know what's going on. The views have dropped for everyone. I don't know, but you can help out. It's free. Please subscribe. So, why is it tricky with these little fellows, these trees? It's tricky because I don't know what happened to them. If there were my trees and I tended for them each and every day, it it's different, because I can very fast and easy figure out what's going on with them. Ask the guy, did you water them? Yes, I did. Did you fertilize them? Kind of. Uh, I put them to shade. I put them to sun. I put them to inside with the air conditioner. I put them outside, and that's not good. Trees don't adapt that quickly. to the environment. So it's tricky because I don't know. I have to figure out what's going on with them. First of all, I figured out that they weren't watered properly, and uh, bonsai beginners tend to take these things not as seriously. You need to take them seriously because it's a lot of work. Okay, I don't want to scare you, but it's a lot of work and a lot of you need a lot of skill, and most of all, you need to teach yourself, and you need to learn a lot of things, and after that, things will just get better and more rewarding. You cannot just put them someplace and water them, and if you're not even watering them properly, you know, it's gonna go bad. So I identified the problem. They weren't watered properly, so I watered them properly. But what's going on now is there's too much water there, So they dropped the leaves because they weren't watered. They started to die back because of the lack of water, because water in this bonsai substrate needs to go everywhere into the pot. So the roots, because we ramify the roots, and if you just water once at the top, fish, the water will not get everywhere. So you need to know how to water the bonsais. But now they have too much water, and they can die back from too much water, and that's tricky. I put them here again. I'm gonna keep them again like yesterday until noon, and then I'm gonna move them from straight and direct sun. Okay, and hopefully the water will get out of there and we can proceed to the next step. I don't know if I'm gonna make another video tomorrow because maybe something happens, like a miracle, like one leaf pops up, then I'm gonna make a video. But otherwise, I don't see the point because if they look the same, I'm just gonna move them around. Even the biggest bonsai nurseries, because the climate has changed dramatically. Even the biggest bonsai nurseries with the healthiest trees are moving them around on a daily basis, more to the sun, more to the shade, under the shady cloth. They're just doing this immense work each and every day because it's getting harder and harder. My personal take, I've tested a lot of species, especially in the past 3 or 4 years. I'm doing this bonsai stuff for about 12 years now, and I made a lot of mistakes. That's why I'm here to tell you about them, because the hardest thing in bonsai is to correlate things. Nobody can tell you, well, you need to use this substrate mix. It's the best. You need to put them in the sun. You need to put them in a semi-shady area. You need this spot. There is no such thing. Okay, there are only tips that help you, but you have to correlate the size of the pot, the species of the pot, your environment. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it dry? Is it the humidity? What's the humidity? You have to correlate all of these things. And if you don't know how to correlate these things when you have a healthy tree, well, when you have a sick tree, there's no question about it. You will not know what to do. So you have to take these little nuggets from everywhere and correlate them in your head. Okay? You have to teach yourself this language. The bonsai language is like a foreign language. It's just like when you're learning a new language. Okay? Because they talk to you. They tell you, I'm underwater, I'm overwater, I'm too hot, the sun is too powerful, I don't have enough sun. They tell you. And after you learn all of these things will get a lot better. So see you in the next video. I told you tomorrow I don't think I'm gonna put a new video because but I'm gonna shoot a reporting. I have a little fig tree, okay, a ficus. What's it called? I have a half of ficus carica, okay? Just a little brain freeze there. So I have a little ficus carica that needs to be repotted, and it's August, it's the best time for it. So I will be doing that reporting. I don't think I have time to put on the new video tomorrow, but Monday or Tuesday it will be up. So bye bye and keep watching.